One of the most interesting examples from Andrej Karpathy's AI Ascent talk that I listened to recently was not about coding speed. It was about an app he built that maybe should not exist at all, he says. The app was called MenuGen. The idea was simple. You take a photo of a restaurant menu, the app reads the menu, identifies the dishes, generates images for them, and turns the menu into a more visual interface on your phone. In a normal software mindset, this makes a lot of sense. You build OCR, parsing, storage, image generation, rendering, and a web app, and all the glue between those pieces. But then he saw a more software 3.0 version of the same thing. Take the photo, give it to a model like Gemini, and ask it to overlay the images directly onto the menu. The model can go from pixels to pixels, input image, output image, and you suddenly, a lot of the app logic becomes unnecessary. Now, here's the interesting part. The lesson is not that every app is dead. Absolutely not. This is too simplistic. The lesson is that some apps exist because older software needed intermediary structure. We needed forms, databases, workflows, and screens because code could not reason directly over the messy reality. But when models can process raw images, text, audio, and context directly, some of those intermediary layers will potentially become optional. That matters for engineering because the wrong question is, how can AI help me build this app faster? The better question is, does this app still need to exist in this shape? As models absorb more of the information processing, the architecture of products may and likely will change before the architecture of team catches up. So when you build with AI, are you accelerating the old app or questioning whether the old app is still the right abstraction that we'll use?